So today we have an inspection here in this building, Santa Monica. This is a control panel where you would select your floors you're trying to page. So before any inspection, you always give an opening announcement just in case there's tenants and other people working around the area. So what you want to say is you make sure that you notify them that these alarms are not active and legit. These are all being tested at the moment, so to disregard them. So you make, let's say we're working on the second floor, which we are for the village school. So we would select the first floor, second floor, and the third floor. So you always want to select your floor that you're gonna be testing, the floor above and the floor below it. So all three, and then before anything, you want to make sure that the building is on test. You don't want to activate an alarm and then have the fire department sitting outside ready to put out a fire. So this here is a EST3 Chevy Stayer. So yeah, you guys will be witnessing me run this panel for today. Just waiting on the call.